Introduction to Blockchain Development.
Curious about building the technology behind cryptocurrencies and secure digital contracts? Becoming a blockchain developer can open doors to exciting tech careers. This roadmap guides you through the key skills and milestones, from understanding the basics to landing your first blockchain developer role, even if you have no prior experience.
Grasping the basics. What is blockchain?
Start by learning what blockchain technology is and how it works. Focus on core concepts such as decentralization, distributed ledgers, consensus mechanisms, and smart contracts. Understanding how blockchain ensures security, transparency, and trustlessness is crucial before diving into hands-on skills.
Fundamental programming skills.
A blockchain developer must be comfortable with at least one programming language. Popular choices include JavaScript, Python, or Solidity, the language used for Ethereum smart contracts. Master programming fundamentals, data structures, and algorithms. Additionally, familiarize yourself with version control systems like Git to collaborate on projects.
Exploring blockchain platforms and tools.
Study leading blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Solana. Learn about wallet management, nodes, and blockchain explorers. Practice deploying simple smart contracts and interacting with test networks. Get experience with relevant development tools, frameworks, and libraries specific to your chosen blockchain ecosystem.
Building projects and gaining real-world experience.
Apply your knowledge by building practical projects. Start with basic decentralized apps, token contracts, or simulations of voting systems. Contribute to open-source projects or participate in hackathons. Real-world experience strengthens your portfolio and helps you stand out to potential employers.
Preparing for jobs and continuous learning.
Develop a strong online presence by sharing your projects on GitHub and tech communities. Learn about blockchain security, scaling, and compliance issues. Stay updated with industry advancements and continue learning through online courses or certifications. With dedication and practical experience, you'll be job ready as a blockchain developer.